Hello, kids. I am Zaid.
And I am Tino.
Are you ready for jungle adventure with me and Tino?
Omar and Tino went for an adventure with Zaid, Amina, and little Safa deep into the magical jungle. The team is exploring when they hear a voice mocking them.
Did someone just say something? Where this voice is coming from?
I am looking around. I heard it too, but I don't see anyone.
Maybe the trees learned how to talk. Really, trees can talk. I am serious. I am not joking.
Look, it's a parrot. Zrenia, over there behind those leaves, I just saw the parrot was talking.
You are slowpokes. Can't do anything right.
Hey, that's not nice. It is very rude and insulting. How can you say something like that to anyone?
Well, where did you learn those words? You are such a beautiful parrot, but words are not good.
A traveler taught me. He was always yelling. Very rude.
The team sits under a giant tree with golden leaves. Amina opens her magical book, and it glows softly.
The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The best among you are those who have the best manners and character."
Good words. Good manners. These are the sweetest words I ever heard.
Yes, indeed. Kind words make the heart happy. Let's teach you new words, shall we?
Okay, I am going to teach you a first nice word. Try saying thank you.
I will give my best, but I am used to of saying bad words. Thank you.
Good work, parrot. It was really a good try. Now say, you are a good friend.
Thank you for your appreciation. No one ever appreciated me. You are a good friend.
Wow, you are amazing. You are intelligent.
I love Prophet Muhammad. Peace be upon him. Kind words, kind hearts.
Oh no. What happened to my rude parrot?
I love Prophet Muhammad. Peace be upon him. Kind words, kind hearts.
As-Salam Alaykum, sir. Looks like your parrot learned good manners. Maybe you can too.
Maybe I should be kinder too. And thank you for reminding me the teaching of our beloved Prophet, peace be upon him.
Words are powerful. Just like the parrot, we can learn to use kind words and bring them to others. Follow the Prophet, peace be upon him, example, and spread kindness wherever we go.